Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can make this premium personal portfolio website using WordPress and Elementor Page Builder. So let's begin. For creating this website, we will follow 3 simple steps. Step 1, purchase the domain and hosting. Step 2, install WordPress themes and plugins. Step 3, customize the website based on the contents. For purchase the domain and hosting, go to hostinger.com. You can find the link in the video description. After clicking in the link, you can see the website like this. Just click on Claim Deals. Then choose the hosting package. I'm choosing the first one. Click on Add to Cart. Then choose a time period. I'm choosing 48 months so that I can save $432. You can choose whatever you like. Here you need to add your email address. Then select your payment method. Fill out your payment information. Then click on Submit Payment. This is your Hostinger dashboard. Now just click on Set Up Premium Shared Hosting. Click on Start Now. Then select Create a New Website. Now select WordPress. And here you can create your WordPress login details. Type email and password and click Continue. Click on Skip. Now here you can claim your free domain. Click on Claim a free domain. Select the domain extension and write the domain name. Write a domain name that is available. And click on Search. Now you can see the domain name is available. Now click on Continue. Then click on Finish Setup and Finish Registration. After registration is finished, click on Edit Your Website. Okay, so this is the website dashboard. Here we can easily manage our website. Before designing the website, we have to clean up the unnecessary plugins. Here you can see all of the plugin list. Select the plugins and select Deactivate from drop-down menu. Now click on Apply. Select the plugin again and select Delete. Click on Apply, then click on OK. All of the plugins are now deleted. Now hover over the appearance and click on Themes. Then click on Add New. Search a theme named called Astra. Now click on Install and Activate. The theme is now activated. Hover over the plugin and click Add New. Search Astra. Install the Starter Template plugin and activate it. click on the C library. And then click Elementor. You can see tons of website templates available here. We are going to use one of them. We are going to use a personal template. Search on digital marketing in search bar. Now click on this template. This is our website demo. Scroll down to see the full design. We can upload our logo here. We will upload this later. I'm going to skip this step. Click on Skip and continue. We can change the website color from here. These are the color palette. We can also change the website fonts from here. After select the fonts, click Continue. Then click Skip and start importing. Click on Submit and build my website, and wait few minutes. It will import all of the website demo contents. Congratulations! Our website is ready. Click on View Your Website. So this is our live website. We can now customize this template based on the contents. To customize the logo and rearrange the menu area, click on Customize. It will take you to this page. Now hover over the menu area and click pencil icon. These are the menu elements. Let's rearrange to the menu. We can easily drag and drop the elements. I'm going to delete secondary menu and button. Now let's change the logo. Click on Change Logo button and click on Upload Files. Upload logo from your computer and click Select, then click Skip Cropping. Let's change the logo width to match perfectly. Also, click on Customize Transparent Header and select the same logo. We also need to fix the logo width here. After made the changes, click on Published and visit the website. The logo and menu are now changed. Now let's edit the homepage contents. To edit the contents, click on Edit with Elementor. This is the back end of your website. Click on Continue and click on the cross icon. Here, you can easily change everything. If you want to edit anything, for example, you want to add your name, hover over the elements and click pencil icon. You can see the options for that element. You can easily change the text and change the other style as well. You can also change the image by just uploading new image. It's super easy to change any of the contents from the website like text, images, button, etc. You can also delete or add new elements. After make the changes, just click on Update, then it will be Update the changes. Now click on View Page to see the changes. Now you know how you can launch your website. If you think this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you soon.